Hey Bronco fanatics, Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco, and just giving you an update for November 2nd to 3rd, 2024. And we've been busy. We have carpet in. Ooh, I had the boot already in. Got the Mustang seats in, and they are all powered up and moving, so that is awesome. When we did the carpet, I also did the carpet tech strip from Wild Horses. And then I've got the Scott Drake sill plate. And I really like these sill plates. Nice and classy, but also, you know, when you go to step into the Bronco now, you've got something to step on besides your painted sill. So that's, I think, a good investment. We got that going on. Didn't do much on the engine this week. We did test fit the front window, and I'm gonna have a separate video on just that. I have the 68 with the bolt-on hinge, not welded, and so we'll talk about that. Got the fold and tumble seat back from the upholsterers, and I think it looks good. I'll flip it out here in a second. Thing to note with the fold and tumble, there is a back plate back here, but you can see where I've got the hole already started. Problem is, got to drop the gas tank to bolt it in, and let me tell you, that gas tank is like a ½ inch below the thing, so be very careful if you're drilling it. The tech strips, I think, come out nicely for the back. They did include enough to do the back tailgate, but we're not going to be doing the wheel humps or the tailgate and carpet. I kind of like the turquoise color. And but with these extra strips, I'm going to put them up against the bulkhead to hold the carpet down up there, just a little classier. Now you can tell how long ago this was that I did that. Wow, that's the Wild Horses 3435 carpet strips. Glad I did this. This has been, yes, thumbs up. Also, Scott Drake did those sill plates, and 3011, I think, is what they are. Once again, well worth the money. Glad I did it. So that's a quick update. Oh, fold and tumble. Yeah, let's flip this bad boy down. I did, was it John and Joni? They put the back legs here 16 inches from the rear edge, and I did the same thing. I do like the space it gives me, but I do like how my upholsterer did a great job getting as close as he could to the 2011 Mustang seats. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll keep you up to date. Hopefully next week we are driving down the road.